I'm Dr. Maheshwari. I'm the Senior Consultant and Assistant Medical Director of GGIRHR. Welcome to GGIRHR. It is a teaching wing of Garbhagudi IVF Center. We have 5 different branches in Bangalore. So we conduct 3 courses in fertility part. So first is the short-term course that is called preceptor course. It is for 3 months or 6 months. The second one is the institutional fellowship, which is for 1 year duration. And the third one is RGUHS University Fellowships, which is for a duration of 18 months. So day to day, we do lot of cases in our each branches. We have lot of caseloads and we do many OPDs and scans and procedures every day. So in a center, 1 or 2 fellowship students will be taken so that they can concentrate on the cases and they can get more hands-on training. So in day-to-day practice, by seeing cases, you can understand different treatments protocol, different causes for the infertility, how to evaluate them, how to treat them, and what is the advanced treatment in the fertility courses. And also you get to see number of scans, the normal findings, the abnormal findings of the uterus, the ovaries. You can learn about stimulation protocols of IUI, IVF and how to monitor them, and also how to handle the complications of ovarian stimulation like OHSS. And you can do IUI, mock embryo transfers, and also you can observe and do hands-on training on oocyte retrieval procedures, embryo transfers, and also you can observe lot of hysteroscopies, laparoscopy cases, and you can do the simple hysteroscopy cases and all. We give lot of hands-on and hysteroscopy also. You will be posted in andrology and embryology separately, and you will get to know different andrology procedures like semen analysis, how to do semen preparations for IUI as well as IVF. And also in embryology, you can observe all the instruments which is used in embryology lab, how to do the oocyte screening, denudation, ICSI, and cryopreservation of embryos and thawing of embryos, and how to load the embryos for embryo transfer. Overall, it is a powerful package where you can learn from diagnosis till the treatment. Even we will teach you how to take the history and what are the important points which has to be taken in the history. And also when it comes to the teaching part, we have a very strong structure for the teaching part. So we will conduct regular classes for you and also regular assessment, and we have a LMS system where the classes are uploaded and you can log in anytime and you can refer to the classes. We conduct regular exams where we will assess whether you are reading properly or whether you are understanding or are you lagging behind. If you are lagging behind, definitely we will help you and we will train you further. And also we'll have a regular every 3 months exams, regular exams, and also there is a final exit exams. So by doing this course, if you do this course and come out, definitely you can handle all types of infertility cases, and you'll be good at doing the scans and also the procedures like oocyte retrieval and embryo transfer. So if you have any doubts, you can contact our team, and thank you.